This is the result. But what it took to get here to Filinged, almost no one knows.
It begins here, Cabrew, far from any showroom. Raw, unprocessed, and unrecognizable. Not every hide qualifies. Only the finest grades will become luxury footwear. The lime solution begins breaking down the hide at a molecular level, removing hair, loosening fiber structure. Every imperfection is mechanically removed. The hide is being prepared for what comes next. Chrome tanning, the process that turns raw hide into true leather. It takes hours. The chemistry is precise. Moisture is pressed out with industrial precision. The hide begins to hold its shape. The hide is split to an exact thickness. Only the top grain will become the outer shell of the shoe. The dye penetrates every fiber. The leather takes on its final color, deep, rich, and permanent. Heat sets the color. Then the leather must be worked, pulled and flexed to restore its natural softness. The surface is refined to perfection, every imperfection removed. The leather is now ready to become a shoe. Each component is cut with exact precision. A single hide yields only a handful of pairs. Of myrtle, nothing is wasted. The edges are thinned with surgical precision, preparing each panel for the stitching that will hold them together. The closing room is where flat leather becomes a shoe. Every stitch placed with the same precision as the last. The upper is pulled over the last with controlled tension. For the first time, it looks like a shoe. The bond must be perfect. Every surface is prepared with the same care as the leather itself. Under pressure, the sole and upper become one. The shoe now holds its final form. Every detail is inspected by hand. Only what meets the standard leaves this room. The packaging is not an afterthought. It is the first thing the customer touches, and it must communicate everything. Sealed, branded, complete. What began as raw industrial material is now a luxury object, ready for the world. From this sword to this, the same material, an entirely different world. Every angle tells the same story. Precision, craft, and material transformed beyond recognition. Each stitch placed by hand, consistent, tight, and permanent. This is what separates craft from production. The burnish goes deeper than the surface. Layer by layer, each pass of the brush adding depth that cannot be replicated by machine. The heel is built in layers, each one compressed, shaped, and burnished to become a single unified structure. Sealed, branded, complete. What began as raw industrial material is now a luxury object, ready for the world. 2 shoes, identical. Each one the result of over 30 individual processes, beginning with something most people would never recognize. From the receiving dock to the showroom shelf, the distance is measured not in miles, but in transformation. The customer feels what the factory built. Every decision made during manufacturing communicates itself through the hands. Every step, every process, every transformation, all of it invisible in the finished object, all of it present. Words. Somewhere between the raw and the refined faldrewist, between the industrial and the elegant of lives. This is where the journey ends, and where the next one begins.